we have the whistleblower option. We know gore it's very hard to report or phone steps or the EMS to I'm this person, I'm reporting for another person.
Yeah.
So at some point they'll just when or this person reported this thing.
Yeah.
So we did that for gore we know gore we want to be safe, we want to help people, but then richaba on chiwa. So we have the
Oh.
whistleblower option where you don't log in we nyaka, because of logging in means already to reveal your names. So
Yeah.
whistleblower is just on the dashboard. Then linking, so you can report for anyone who's in danger. For instance, if I'm in town in Polokwane, give an accident here and but they just not able to help themselves. I can just tap on the whistleblower option, ka report, or I can just tap or ka ngwala if I have time. If the people are just injured but not fatal.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so able to ring a whistleblower and get type this is what's happening. Then the location it will pinpointed to where I am, where the incident is or accident is. Yeah.
Oh. No, it
So
makes sense.
yeah, so when you log on the app, actually you have to sign in on the application. It will show how you want your details, your email address in case of password recovery. You can enter Ujakai, but then enter you from Polokwane or enter Polokwane as your address. That doesn't mean hore when you go to Mokopane it will limit you from using the application. When you move, it moves with you, because Oga reporter only in Mokopane is the nearest station, the nearest hospital.
Oh.
Yes.
Alitsebi,